We're going to do a very short exercise now. It will show you the power of attention and how so much of our experience or possible experience is absent when we're not attending to it. The mind has got this immense power to attend, if only we can harness it. Now, the exercise is mindfulness of hearing, or mindfulness of sound, if you like. I think it's better to call it mindfulness of hearing, because then it's about me rather than something that's out there, which we call a sound. So I'm going to invite the bell, and just for a couple of minutes, close your eyes, adopt your usual meditation posture, and listen in a kind of neutral way to any and every sound around you, with no discrimination, no judgment. Nothing, as far as sound is concerned, is a distraction. Now, other things may happen, such as a thought will come in, and then you label that a distraction. If a thought comes in, just let it go. Just let it go. Don't judge it. Don't feel frustrated. That doesn't help. Just let the thought go and come back to the instruction. Okay, so imagine you're a kind of a satellite dish and you're receiving sounds. You're not transmitting anything. No thoughts, nothing going out there. You're just receiving all sounds without discrimination. The satellite dish doesn't care what the sound is. It just picks it up. And then we'll come back and ask some questions. This will last just a couple of minutes. Here we go. It's quite a short exercise. Try this at home, as they say, and spend at least 10 minutes on it. You can even spend up to half an hour on it. And then ask yourself, what have I heard? And think about how you felt when you heard it, whether you were inclined to judge it, whether you were inclined to identify it, whether you felt some frustration if you couldn't identify it. All of this, of course, is in a way not following the instruction. The instruction was just to be a neutral satellite dish. No discrimination, no judgment, no thought, no identifying. A satellite dish doesn't have a brain. It doesn't have a mind, let's say. So it doesn't identify. A human being has to come along and identify what the satellite dish has picked up. We're just trying to be a satellite dish.
New Buddha Way approaches meditation as a way of life, letting go of East and West, past and future, and starting afresh here and now. To find out more, visit www.newbuddhaway.org.